Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again, and here we need to localize the option screen timeout. Tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, and it basically means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.